Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the Syncfusion Blazor DataGrid. In this video, I'll walk you through how editing works, covering editing modes, CRUD operations, validation, and customization options, so you can build an interactive grid tailored to your application's workflow. Let's begin with how editing is triggered. Users can start editing in multiple ways. By double-clicking a row, using the toolbar's Edit option, selecting Edit from the context menu, clicking the Command Column Edit button, or pressing F2 on the selected row. This flexibility ensures users can interact using mouse or keyboard. The DataGrid supports 3 editing modes, configured using Grid Edit Settings mode. Set it to normal for inline editing directly within the grid. Dialog to open a pop-up form, where the dialog size can be customized using dialog settings. Or batch to allow multiple cell edits across rows and save them together. Ideal for bulk updates. Now let's look at CRUD configuration. Enable adding by setting AllowAdding to true. Users can add records using the toolbar Add button or the Insert key. You can control where new rows appear. Keep an Add New Row visible for continuous entry. And assign default values. To enable updating, set AllowEditing to true. In inline mode, users edit directly in the row. In batch mode, editing begins with a double click on the cell, and changes are saved using the Update button. To enable deletion, set AllowDeleting to true. Rows can be deleted through the toolbar, context menu, command column, or the delete key. For multiple deletion, configure selection type multiple. To prevent accidental removal, enable Show Delete Confirm dialog. You can also cancel deletion conditionally using events like row deleting handler or on-batch delete. If users cancel edits midway, the toolbar cancel option discards changes. Enabling Show Confirm dialog prompts users before saving or canceling edits to prevent data loss. Editing is fully customizable at the column level. You can define appropriate editors such as text boxes, numeric inputs, date pickers, or drop-downs. Editor settings allow fine-tuning options like decimal precision or clear buttons. For advanced scenarios, use edit templates to embed custom components such as multi-line text areas, autocomplete inputs, masked fields, multi-select drop-downs, rich text editors, date-time pickers, cascading drop-downs, multi-column drop-downs, foreign key columns, or dynamically generated fields. Dialog editing is also customizable. You can configure headers, footers, and tabs for layout organization. You can also manage dynamic column visibility, field focus, and conditional display for adaptive behavior. For advanced control, you can auto-update values based on other inputs, useful for calculated columns. Editing or deletion can also be restricted based on conditions, or user roles by canceling actions in editing or deleting events. Data validation ensures accuracy. You can apply built-in column validation rules such as required fields, range limits, and type validation. Data annotations on your model enforce consistent rules. For custom logic, implement your own validators, handle validation events, and display messages in specific locations. Even hidden fields can trigger validation summaries, especially in dialog editing. So far, you've seen how editing in the Syncfusion Blazor DataGrid helps you design an interactive grid aligned with your workflow.